Greetings everyone. Today, I am going to present to you a video tutorial about topic in fluid mechanics in chapter 5. So here's the given question. Given that the pressure at section 2 and 3 is 22 psi and 19 psi respectively, determine the velocity of the water run steadily through the pipe system shown below. Considering that there will be a head loss of 6.0 feet from the section 1 to section 2 and 15 feet from section 2 to section 3. So in this given problem, we are tasked to find the velocity of the water runs steadily through the pipe system. So in our body diagram, we are tasked to find the velocity in section 2 and the velocity in section 3. So the equation for this is Q is equal to Q1 is equal Q2 and also equal to Q3. Therefore, Q1 is equal to Q2. And the equation for this Q, which is the discharge, is equal to AV, or Q is equal to AV, and our A is the area and our V is the velocity. Then therefore, Q is equal to AV and could also be pi d1 squared over 4 times v1 is equal to pi d2 squared over 4 times v2. In this situation, we could cancel this out so that we could find the value for the velocity in section 2. Then therefore, v2 is equal to d1 squared times v1 here over d2 squared, and we are tasked to find the v2, the velocity in section 2. So our d1 squared is 16" squared times 5 feet per second is our v1, and our 8 inches is our d2 squared. So in this situation, inches per we could cancel this out and only feet per second left, and that is our unit for the velocity in section 2. So 16 times 5 over 8 is equal to 20 feet per second, and that is our velocity in section 2. So in this situation, we need to find the velocity in section 3. Therefore, if here is Q1 or is equal to Q2, then definitely Q2 is equal to Q3. Same situations in Q1 over Q2. Q is equal to AV, then therefore pi over D2 squared over 4 is times the velocity in section 2 is equal to pi d3 squared over 4 times the velocity in section 3. So we could cancel this out so that we could find the value for the velocity in section 3. So V2, no, this is V3 is equal to D2 squared times V2 over D3 squared. So the value for our D2 is 8 inches times the value for V2 is 20 feet per second over the value for D3 squared is 12 inches. So we could cancel this out so that our unit here is feet per second. So 8 times 20 over 12 is 8.89 feet per second, and that is our velocity in section 3. This is V3. So our velocity in section 2 and 3 would be 20 feet per second and 8.89 feet per second. So that's all. Thank you.